checkup. Mariam's story. My name is Mariam. In my country, sick people go to the doctor. In my country, sick people go to the doctor. In the U.S., all people go to the doctor. Healthy people have a checkup every year. I don't feel sick. I feel healthy. Why do I need a checkup? I need a checkup to stay healthy. Words. Every year. Every year. Which one is every year? This one is every year. 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. Every year. What is this one? People. People. Which one is people? People. People. Can you write? Every year, people. What is this one? Are they sick? No. Are they healthy? Yes, they are healthy. Healthy. Let's look. Which one is healthy? Healthy. This one is healthy. What is this one? Who is this? Doctor. Doctor. Can you write it? And this one, what is this? It's a map. And it has the different colors. Blue, green, pink. These are the countries. Country. This word is country. This is one country, one country, one country, one country, one country. Which one says country? Country. Country. And which one is doctor? Doctor. Doctor. All right. So this one, healthy, doctor, country.